I set up a community post, like ask me anything you want to know about business, be it you have started already or you are about to start up a business, be it wig business, be it clothing, be it Ankara two-piece, be it nightwear. So these are the categories of business that I stated in my community. Yeah, this is my community on YouTube. So if you don't know how to use your community, come, I will teach you. All right, so I set up a question. I'm going to be reading it out before we start this video. Do you have question about starting a business, or maybe you are thinking of starting up a business? That's how I stated it. And nightwear, hair business, but you don't know how to begin, like how to start it. And this is your chance. That's what I put down. This is your chance to ask me that question that I'll be burning inside you. Anyways, ask me anything about starting a business from scratch, growing a small / weak business. If your business have died, you don't know what to do and you quit, just reach out to me. I'll help you out. Anyways, nightwear business, wig business, two-piece wears business, men shirts, men jeans. No question is small. I am here to help you. Drop your question in the comments and I will answer them little by little. So that's what I write there, and I just put my picture there. Just ask me the question. Yeah, so I've gotten quite questions, like about 7 to 8 questions, because I don't want it to be too much. That's why I just leave it like that. I decided to talk about it so that we can move on, because time waits for nobody. Actually, time is money. If you don't use your time very well, you don't manage your time very well, it's going to fly away from you. So now, without wasting your time, let's start this video.
There's not much to do when all
Welcome back again to another video. If it's your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, hi, this is Rebecca Iduwe. I'm based here in Accra, Ghana, and I'm a mom of boys. And if there's anything you want to know, is this channel, in this my channel, I talk about business, strictly business, like business. I do touch of lifestyle and also life experiences, like motivation and things and what not to do concerning friendship. These are what I talk about here. I used to vlog before, but I stopped it because of some issues. Anyways, welcome back. So now we are going to be reading the comments. We are going to answer it one by one, and go and get your popcorn, go and get whatever you want to get, so that you can actually know what to do with the money in your account. Anyways, our number one on the list today is Yure Ayan. That's my personal friend. Anyways, she said, how do I order from Togo? And how much do I need to travel to Togo? That's 2 questions. And to Togo and get bags and nice ladies slippers. I'll be putting the question. That's my dummy for selling. I'll put the question here. So that's what she asked. Let's answer it first. How much do I need to order from Togo? Or how do I order from Togo? Alright, how to order from Togo is when you join my WhatsApp group, and I have vendors from Togo, or other than that, you can search vendors from TikTok, legit ones. Not be me tell you, or you can join my WhatsApp group, or you can join me. Let's travel to Togo. I recently came back from Togo. That was last week. I was like, when I came back to Accra, I was having cold. Anyway, that's topic for another day. So you can join my WhatsApp group, or you come, let's travel together. I already have 2 people down to travel to Togo, so that we can go and get goods. Yeah. So, and how much you need, and how much do I need to travel to Togo? Since you are still in Accra, you will need approximately, since you are going to get bags and ladies slippers. Let me tell you something. Bags are expensive in Togo. This is my 2i. I use it and price it. Bags are expensive in Togo, but slippers are not expensive in Togo. But if you have money to pay, why not? You need approximately 10,000 Ghana cedis. 10,000 Ghana cedis is like 1.2 million naira. So I'll put it here. Depend if you are buying 50 pieces or 60, because if you are taking 5,000 Ghana cedis to Togo, first of all, you eliminate your transport plus immigration and custom wahala. So you will need 10,000 cedis. In case you can remove 3,000 cedis from let's say transportation, or 4,000 cedis from transportation. This transportation, if it's going and coming alone, 3,000 sef it won't reach, you understand? So let's say if you take the drop off before you guys will get to Togo, you need at least 3,000. The 3,000 include your transportation, your feeding, the lodge where you are going to put your head to sleep, plus the transport you are going to, the okada you going to take, how many times you are going to the market to check the things. You know, you don't go there to check once, you can go multiple times. So your transportation in and out, let's budget 3,500, because if it's 3 days we are spending there, you surely lodge, because you know go sleep for road. So let's move on now. And that's her question. I've answered your question. You need 10,000 Ghana cedis. 10,000 Ghana cedis.
And I'm so excited.
Two for today is Louis asks, how much do I need to travel to Togo? He also wants to go to Togo to buy men's wear. I'll put it here. Jeans and t-shirts. Okay, how much you need to go to Togo? You didn't put down if it's 50 pieces of jeans or 60 pieces of jeans or 100 pieces of jeans. But for me, going to Togo to buy jeans, men jeans and t-shirts is actually affordable. Depend the type you want to buy, be it Turkey wear or China wear. So I don't know the one you are going to get, but I will tell you to hold your 12,000 Ghana cedis, because if you are taking 5,000 Ghana cedis, we have not talked about transportation. Transportation too is expensive. Transportation, if you want to take the drop off, you need approximately like 2,000 Ghana cedis. Then you need hotel, a guest house where you will sleep, put your head to rest and think, and also feeding, food that you are going to eat if you are going there for 3 days, because it's not a 1 day market journey. And also, if you are, sorry, my camera is fainting, if you plus you taking transport like the okada, mostly they work with the okada is very fast. If you are taking the okada to go and source for the vendor in the market, you also need money. So you usually, plus settling immigration and custom to pass your goods to come to wherever you are going. So you can go with me or you go alone, but you need 12,000 Ghana cedis. So if you are in Nigeria, you will need approximately like 2 million naira or 1.5 million naira, so that not when you go, you like your money will finish before you now start calling money. You have to make proper plan. So let's leave it at 1.2 million or 1.5 million naira. So I hope I've answered your question. So now let's move on. Next question is Helen said, I want to start the nightwear business, but how much do I need to start with 50 pieces? Are you starting with me because I do wholesale? You just need to buy the bill. I do wholesale. Or are you going to Togo to buy the nightwear, or you are going to Nigeria to buy the nightwear? We also have some in Ghana here. In case if you are in Ghana, I can link you up. Anyways, how much you need to start with 50 pieces? You need approximately 7,000 Ghana cedis. I'm going to put it in dollars. 7,000 Ghana cedis. If you are buying with me, you need 5,500 Ghana cedis for 50 pieces. And I'll mix it up with 3-in-1. I'll be putting the pictures here. 3-in-1, 4-in-1, 5-in-1. Yes, that's the nightwear that is moving now, is going well. We have 2-in-1, the shirt and the trouser. We have 2-in-1, the singlet top and the trouser. We also have 2-in-1, the singlet top and then shorts. So it depends. So you need approximately 7,000 Ghana cedis. So if you are buying with me, you need 5,500 Ghana cedis. So let's move on now. This our next question is Winfried. Winfrey said, how much do I need to go to Nigeria to buy jewelries? Sweetheart, I have a jewelry vendor in Lagos, Nigeria. But for you, if you want to go to Nigeria to go and get jewelries, are you going by air or are you going by land? If you are going by land, transportation is not cheap. Anyways, you need approximately, let's say you budget the amount you need for the jewelry business aside transportations, aside transportation, feeding, and Okada or Molue, the trotro in Nigeria, Lagos, transportation fee. Aside those ones, the money you need to invest in jewelry business, like to get correct gold, maybe white gold or pure gold, like gold or other type of jewelries, you need approximately like 3 million naira. It's not something you go and buy with 100k. You're going to do what? You waste the money. It's not something you are going to buy with 200k. You need approximately 3 million to start up that jewelry business. But if you want to buy other type of jewelries, the one you wear for 1 year, you start washing, that one you need like 1 million naira to start it up. Then you can include your transportation in and out, and what else, your eating, your food. You can remove 5,000 Ghana cedis from the money, from the 10,000 Ghana cedi, which is 1.2 million naira, something thereabout. You can remove your transportation, then you just buy little to start first. So you need, for the original jewelries, you need 3 million naira excluding transportation. But for the other type of jewelries, the fashion ones, you need 1 million or 1.2 million naira to go to Nigeria to go and buy it. It's very affordable in Nigeria. Even in Togo, it's affordable, but you go regret it. Anyways, let's move on now. Erica Joshua also asks, what business is good for stay-at-home mom of 3? What type of business is good for stay-at-home mom of 3? I'll be making a video for that, but let me tell you the type of business is good for you. You can start up wig business. Yes, wig business. You heard me well, because you know why? It does not spoil. The way it is in the rubber, you can live 5 years, you will bring it out, the hair is still there the way you kept it. So wig business is good. And also you can go into maybe cooking or food. You'll be exhausted, you will tire. What I can recommend, maybe perfume, oil perfume business also is good. And also you can also go into digital selling. Like when you see someone post, you copy the picture from their site or from their page, you put it on your WhatsApp status to show to your friend, oh, I have this. And when someone click to buy, you collect the money, send the company or the vendor's money to her, and go for the goods and deliver it to the person. It's simple as ABCD, no stress. But the top one I would recommend for stay-at-home mom without stress: buy wigs and start selling. Wig, you see hair, it doesn't erase from the system. Whether you are working, whether as a stay-at-home mom, whether as a new mom, you just give birth yesterday, wig business is very, very good. Yours is just to video them and post it. That's all. You don't need stress. That is all. You don't need stress. So that is the type of business you can do. If you don't want anything called cooking, frying, and be selling online, or wares, you understand, buy wigs and be selling. Go into wig business. It's good. Anyways, let's move on now. I think this is the last one. This video is becoming too long. So the last one for today is Emilia says she said, how much do I need to travel to Togo to buy goods like ladies wear, up and down, and Akara wear? All right, Emilia, thank you so much. And so I will be traveling to Togo very soon, due to the rainy season, because we don't want to go there. Everywhere will be messy. They're like, the market will be very, very tiring. So how much you need to go into this business. You are going to Togo to get them. You can join my WhatsApp group so that we can all go together when you are ready. So you will need approximately 1.3 million naira, and from your cedis you need about 11,000 Ghana cedis. 11,000 Ghana cedis. In case you are living in the US, you need $1,500, because if you are living in the US or wherever you are living in, you want me to buy it for you and send it to you, you are not going to pay too much. Like transportation, you are not eating because you are not there. You are not going to pay Okada because you are not there. I can spare you all that market runs money and buy the goods for you. Just need to pay for the delivery. That's all. You send your money, then we'll send you I'll send you the goods to you. But if you are in Accra, then you need 1.1 million or 1.3 million to start up this business, because you are starting up two business, Ankara and other stuff. Let me read it. Ladies wear and Ankara up and down. Look at it here. Oh, camera. Ankara up and down. So you have to go there yourself, check it out and select colors that you want, because you are selling these things out. Anyways, you need approximately 11,000 Ghana cedis. That's around 1.2 million naira or 1.3 million naira. So I'll be putting the exchange rate here. So anyways, that's the last question for today. Thank you guys so much. And if you are really serious, I'll drop my WhatsApp group link in the description box so that you can reach out. I'll add you to my wholesaler group, and also a trip to Togo and a trip to Nigeria group as well, where we can think and put things together and plan the date that we can actually go together. So you will see the link in the description box. Thank you so much, and you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from it. Starting up a business, you don't need 10 million naira, you don't need 50,000 Ghana cedis. You can start up your business with without you going somewhere to go and buy it. Maybe within Accra, you can start up your business with 5,000 Ghana cedis, so that you can get a bit profit from it, like the profit that can pay your 1 month's rent, the profit that can actually do something for you. Because when you start up with 3,000, 2,000, you are going to get peanuts from it, and you can use it to eat indomie. Thank you all so much. I appreciate all your love. Thank you to all my membership. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you all. I will come your way again in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this topic, please comment.